Thibitari munene wa arwaru wa meciria wa Gilgil kaunti ya Naikuru ni urikitie gwikirwo mukonde kwoererwo ni Ndundu ya aminista kuuma kuri thirikari ya Naikuru. Ikinya riri riyukitio itemi-ini ria gutangikira arwaru a meciria hatari mihinga kwona arwaru aya ni makoretwo wongererekete na njira nene guku bururi-ini. Kuringana na gavana wa Naikuru Kinyanjui, thibitari ucio uria niguo wa keri munene thutha wa thibitari wa Mathare ni ubataraga kigina kinene kiria matakoretwo makihota gukinyaniria undu uria ukoretwo ugicungiriria kuhotoma kwa motungata kaunti-ini iyo.
As long as the mental section of the hospital remains and the financial burden has to be borne by the other hospital sections, the hospital will never grow. But I am happy that after those discussions and the visit by the minister, this matter was tabled before the cabinet and it was passed that the mental hospital within Gilgil will be taken up by national government.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Gilgil, gavana ni atugiritie arigitani aria makoretwo magitangikira arwaru aria amwe ao matiganirio ni family ciao.
But allow me also to take this opportunity to congratulate the doctors who continue to take care of our mental section of it. They give them the best care, and the last time I visited there I was very impressed by the very human nature of your service, by your commitment and dedication.
Uhoro wigie murimu wa COVID-19 kaunti-ini iyo ria ugite ni mathiite na mbere na kwaramia thibitari wa Naivasha na Gilgil kuria mongereire itanda igana rimwe o thibitari niguo guikara sheba murimu uyu ungitwo ni kwihiriria.
Recently when we were looking at our COVID preparedness as a county, tuliangalia mahospitali zote, lakini tulikuwa tumeambiwa we nominate certain hospitals that can be used as treatment centers for COVID. We have picked Naivasha and we also picked here in Gilgil.
Akiaria ciegie kuhagurwo gwake augite mubango ucio ni wa MCA amwe aria manyoteirie utongoria na gutire hindi ya gukorwo akienderio guoya.
I want to insist it's not all, it's just a few who are greedy and power has gotten into their heads, and I don't think we can allow that to happen. For me, I owe my allegiance to the people of Nakuru. We'll work with the assembly, we'll work under the laid down legal provisions, and I think through this we can make Nakuru a better place.
Handu-ini haka Meme TV getwo Nduta wa Nyuthe.